LAOWA continues to release new, exciting lens designs, this time offering an ultra-wide 15mm lens for Sony full-frame mirrorless cameras, but with the added bonus of a staggeringly fast f/2 aperture. Combined with close focusing down to 1/4 life size, new possibilities are opened up for creative ultra-wide photography. We take a close look at how the lens performs in practice, using the Sony Alpha 7 camera body. The front element is relatively small, certainly compared with the traditional 15mm f/3.5 lenses for manual focus SLRs, first introduced in the early 1970s. This means that standard 72mm filters can be used, although slim ones would seem a suitable precaution against vignetting. LAOWA uses special frog eye coating to repel dirt, grease, and water from the front glass of the lens. Surrounding the filter thread is a bayonet fitting for the provided petal-shaped lens hood. The lens hood is well made and slips easily and smoothly into the bayonet, but unfortunately has no click stop to hold it in place. This means it can rotate out of position and cause vignetting and needs to be watched. The alternative would be to use a small piece of tape to hold it in place, but we should not need to do this on any new lens.